what is happening. I just had put it in my vision board, and how did it exactly manifest in the same way? That was the first time ever that I was in disbelief that a vision board could do something like that. Here's the catch: you have to put it across as if you are viewing the vision. You have to put it on the vision board, and you have to trust it's going to happen and then just detach from it. You should make a vision board. It's so much fun to make a vision board and just see those things coming into your life. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, I know I haven't posted a video for a very long time, which is why I have some stuff planned and I really am excited to share those videos with you guys. So today's video is all about my vision board for 2025. Now, this is something I have always wanted to make as a video, and I really thought that I want to make this video in the end of this year, because usually that's when we spend time to make vision boards or choose to do stuff like that. I was of the same thought that let's do that, but to my surprise, almost most of the stuff that I wanted to manifest through my vision board did come into reality. And I think, which is why I made a new vision board just like a few weeks back. And that's why my old vision board, which I haven't shared on anywhere on socials, is going to be revealed today in this video. So, I mean, just looking at this itself makes me so happy as to, and makes me think how unbelievable sometimes certain things are, and how much we have potential to create the things in our life, and we often don't think about it. So if you're somebody who believes in manifestation, if you're somebody who's done vision boards, or you've always wondered what is a vision board, how to make one, I think you can use this video as a guide. Although I'm not an expert in any of this, there are things that seem to work out for me, there are things that didn't seem to work out for me. So I will tell you what I did differently when I made my next vision board, and also will be revealing that, hopefully in the next few months when most of the things have already manifested. So let's first begin with what exactly is a vision board. So vision board is basically a tool that is used as a method of manifesting your dreams and your reality. And what you basically do is you basically have a set of pictures of things you want to achieve in your life, and you basically put them together into a collage, into whatever form, and then you either print it out and stick it to a place where you constantly look, or where you constantly see that for yourself. Like, it could be on your room, it could be in your phone wallpaper, it could be anything that you constantly look at. And that's something that I used to do. So my vision board has always been my phone wallpaper. This particular vision board I have in my hand was my phone wallpaper, and I also had it stuck in my room almost over here, and I constantly used to look at it. But the whole idea here was that you have to put it on the vision board, and you have to trust it's going to happen and then just detach from it. This ideally goes for every method of manifestation, where you don't have to be attached, or where you should not be obsessed about the results, because if you are going to be obsessed about the results, there are highly likely chances that it won't come into your reality. I'm not going into the physics or details of it. Please check out my description to check out certain videos of why detachment is important, and videos that basically talk about it. So this is actually not my first vision board. My first vision board was made when I was in Bangalore, when I was studying in Bangalore, and I made it, I think, during September, October time in 2024, the year I graduated, and I had it stuck on my cupboard, and I still have that vision board here. And that was a vision board where I just did that for fun, not knowing that things could manifest. But I clearly remember 1 week after making that vision board, one particular image actually came true. And I was like, wow, this is fun. This is kind of like fun. So I really wanted to try more of it. And that's when during the beginning of this year in 2025, decided to make a vision board. And so I really had certain edits that I had made for myself, which I never put it out anywhere. It was just for me for fun. Whenever I used to find free time, I used to edit myself into things, like edit myself as the magazine cover girl and things like that, which we'll come to in this video. And that's how funnily I had edited one picture of me as the cover girl of Vanita magazine, which was like totally random and fun. And I decided, okay, why not put it into my vision board? Let's just try and see if this works, because I was still in disbelief that it could actually work, because I had never tried it out for myself. So I wanted to see it. And I had put it on my vision board, and I had put a lot of other pictures. So I clearly remember I wanted to get more shoots. So I had put that in my vision board. I love speaking. So I had put up myself, speaking to an audience. I wanted to be a part of a podcast, so put that. And, this was during the time when I really wanted to win a crown. So I put the image of a crown, then I put image of money, of travel, of a camera, of that Vanita magazine cover, of, me actually in a crown, which was a pageant I had won before that. So, to my surprise, when I stuck this, clearly remember my dad coming up to me and saying, like, why is this magazine cover picture here? Like, what's that all about? And I was like, so apparently, if you put that on a vision board, it's supposed to come true. And I was like, and my dad was like, oh, will it come true? And I was like, I don't know. I've just put it up there. It's supposed to come true. And I remember having this conversation. And then this was during January. Cut to March, I do Vanita Miss Kerala, which was a pageant organized by Vanita magazine, and I was the first runner-up, and the top three winners got a Vanita cover. So that was the first time ever that I was in disbelief that a vision board could do something like that. And I was in utter disbelief. I was like, what is happening? I just had put it in my vision board, and how did it exactly manifest in the same way? Because I had heard from people that even though you put something on your vision board, it doesn't have to exactly manifest the same way. Like, for example, in this picture, I was alone. But in that picture, I had two other gorgeous women with me, no complaints. But I'm just saying, exactly things don't have to manifest. And I was like, I'll just put Vanita. I'm happy with any magazine cover as well. And I was happy with not even getting that as well. So I think that's what really helped me. And that was the first time I was in disbelief. Then I had put up this picture of a cafe that I want to go in Varkala. And I remember wanting to go to Varkala since a very long time. And every time I used to plan, it would never happen because of some reason. It would always get cancelled. It could be either because of my exams, it could be like something else would come up, and I would never be able to go to this place. So I was like, okay, let's see if I put it on my vision board if it's going to happen. And I went to this exact same cafe and recreated that same picture, which was again utter disbelief for me. Then I had this particular image of a shoot, which I actually didn't realize when I was doing the shoot that this was actually in my vision board. But later on, when I took videos and I was just, doing an edit of myself for a video, I realized that exactly the same thing had manifested. Similar setup, similar cameras, everything similarly was actually had come true. Then again, I had, me speaking into the mic. I was called as a chief guest to my school, and you know that was a very similar view that I had. Podcast mic, I did do a podcast towards the end of me changing the vision board. I think a month or a month and a half back, I did a podcast. This camera thing, actually, I had this television interview after I won Miss Queen of India, and the same camera was there. So yeah, although I wanted it as part of an ad shoot or something like that, it came out this way, which is exactly why I will say in later part of the video why it doesn't exactly have to manifest the way you think it is. This crown, very similar to the the Miss Vanita Miss Kerala crown. Of course, the Miss Queen South. When I put this up, I did not think that the Miss Queen of India logo was there and Miss Queen of India would become a reality. So when I won Miss Queen of India, I was like again in utter disbelief that I particularly had this image on the vision board, and my goal was exactly not to win Miss Queen of India. That just happened. And I was like, wow, this is crazy. Which is always, I always keep telling people that you should make a vision board. It's so much fun to make a vision board and just see those things coming into your life. You don't have to trust or believe in it. Just put it out there. It could come true. So again, money, I did start earning this year. And yeah, this particular thing, this image is basically like I wanted to be on a billboard. Now, ideally, I didn't get on a billboard, but yet. But I was on this particular flex, almost like for a very long time, because they had put this up. So for the Onam event near my house, I was, the chief guest. So they had put this up very long ago, like 2 months before itself, they had this. And so anytime I would cross that road, I would just see this and probably manifested like that. And of course, I wanted to travel. I had put up a flight emoji and did not travel much as such, but I'm going to travel, of course. So did travel actually. So yeah, that also happened. So I mean, ideally, everything almost came true. So that is like, it was like surprising to me that these kind of things can come true and these could come true, and this actually came true. So yeah, then finally, I'm just gonna show you my entire vision board. This is my vision board. I don't know if you can see it clearly. I may attach a picture on this side just to show you how it looks. And I'm just so grateful to God that I figured out this method of manifestation and I'm able to practice it. Now, coming to the second part of the video, how do you make one and what are certain things you should think about and what I learned from my first vision board. First thing I want to say is pick out things you really want to achieve. Now, this doesn't have to make sense to you, all right? This could be even the most bizarre things. Like, let's say you want to meet Mohanlal, put that on your vision board. Let's say you want to be part of a reality show, put it on the vision board. It might look hideous to somebody else, But I think these are the kind of things that end up manifesting because you ideally are detached from it, because you know it's okay even if that doesn't happen. So that's something I would recommend. You pick out things that you really want as part of your life, like realities. It could be buying a new car, it could be buying a new house, it could be winning a pageant, anything. Put it on your vision board, and here's the catch. You have to put it across as if you are viewing the vision. So whenever you win, let's say something, you don't actually see the picture of you winning, right? You actually have a POV for that. You are on stage, audience are cheering for you. That's the image you ideally want to put on the vision board. So be specific. Like, for example, if you want to go on a boat ride, okay? You don't ideally put the image of the boat, but you actually should put the image of your view from the boat when you're on the boat ride. So this is something I heard before I made my vision board, and actually helped me a lot to bring my visions into reality. So that is something you can take care of. Second thing, not everything you put will exactly manifest the same way. For example, when I put this camera or the Miss Universe India crown, I ideally wanted that, but then I actually saw that in reality. So that's what I'm saying. Like, when you put the crown's image, I manifested the same reality where I'm seeing the image, which actually happened. But I actually wanted to win the crown, right? So that's the difference there. If I wanted to win, I should have put the POV of what it looks like to win, right? That's the whole point. And thirdly, how do you put these images together? Now, ideally, how do you make a vision board? Now, you can either print out these pictures and stick it according to what you like. What I like to do is download these images and put it on Canva, and basically just pick out any random collage that you find there, and insert these images, add text if you want. Like, I have added text like health, inspiration, just living my best and happy life. So whatever inspires you, whatever you really like, and certain quotes, these are things you can add on to it just to remind yourself of your vision. That's about my vision board, and I think it has been an incredible experience making a vision board. Even as part of Miss South India, this time I was the groomer. We wanted to have a vision board making session, but because of the schedule, we just couldn't do it. But I would have loved to, do that, because I really feel like everybody should have a vision board in their life. It is just so much fun to see your vision come into reality. Another thing I want to mention here is, don't put a timeline for your vision board. Like, don't be like, I make this vision board right now, and within the next 6 months or next 1 year, I need to achieve these things. I never put a timeline to my vision board. I'm going to keep this vision board. Like, I have heard a lot of people talk about how their vision came into reality like 2 to 3 years later. So you never know when your vision can come into reality. It doesn't have to be a specific time and date like right now, or you don't have to put a specific timeline to your goals unless it is very important for you, or unless it is like that and there is no other way around. So I would say ideally, detach from the whole point. Just put the vision board on somewhere you can see, and then just forget about it, and then see how magically your life turns. So I know this is not a very long video, although I really wanted to make a really long chit chat video, but I feel like there is only little that I know and still figuring out. And you can also use Gemini or ChatGPT to create images you want. Like, for example, if there's an image that's not out there online, you can create an image for yourself and then put it on your vision board. So use your creativity, make it fun, and make sure that each vision is clear. Like, some people have vision boards where everything is like a lot of images together, and it's in a way that it's all like together. But I like to keep my vision separate, so I like to keep it very spaced and all of these things. So ideally, however you like it, you can make it. I'll even link a video of Pearly Mani talking about a vision board, and how she makes the vision board and things like that. There are multiple ways to do it. So if you really like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other doubts, please do post it in the comments. So I would love to answer it for you. Stay tuned for my next video, and I can't wait for you to make a vision board. And if you do, please do tag me on my Instagram so that I can really reshare it and be happy that I can change someone's life and help them to manifest their visions. So happy manifesting, stay happy, stay positive, and stay tuned for my next video. Until then, bye bye.